Hello kids! Let's learn to write alphabets. Let's start with letter A. A. A for avocado. A for artist. B for Belgium. B for burgundy. C for court. C for cone. D for dance. D for doll. E for energy. E for egg. F for fish. F for frog. G for goat. G for gun. H for horse. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. I for ice cube. This is green color. A to I is green. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Green color. J. J for jungle. J for jar. K. K for kiwi. K for kangaroo. L for lychee. L for lion. M for monkey. M for man. N for nest. N for nose. O for optical. O for oxygen. P for princess. P for potato. Q for question. Q for quill. J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. Blue color. R. R for rabbit. R for rainbow. S for squirrel. S for sun. T for tulip. T for treasure. U for unicorn. U for umbrella. V for violin. V for volcano. W for wind. W for water. X for X-ray. X for xylophone. Y for yogurt. Y for yam. Z for zebra. Z for xenon. R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Green color. Now let's write the numbers. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Red color. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 1, 0, Number 10. Now let's revise. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you. Subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye bye.